Want to make your Facebook profile private on iPhone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile and improve your privacy settings. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu icon and then tap on your profile name to open your Facebook profile. Now tap the three-dot menu icon next to the edit icon. In the menu that appears, look for the Lock Profile option and tap on it. If you don't see the Lock Profile option, it may not be available in your region or on your account, so follow the options shown on your screen. Next, tap the Lock Your Profile button. Facebook will then show a confirmation message, letting you know that your profile has been successfully locked. Tap OK to finish the process. Once enabled, only your friends will be able to see most of your photos, posts, and profile information, helping make your Facebook profile more private. And that's how you can make your Facebook profile private on iPhone using the Profile Lock feature. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips, privacy guides, and how-to tutorials.